Hey everyone, welcome back to English Learning Key. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, manifestation. Have you heard about it before?
Yes, manifestation is all about how your thoughts and feelings can help you reach your goals and dreams.
Exactly. It might sound a bit magical, but really, it's about mindset, focus, and positive action.
So, what this really means is that when you concentrate on what you want, believe in it deeply, and take real steps, you can make it happen.
Right. And today, we're going to explain how manifestation can help you in life and teach you how to talk about it clearly in English.
First, let's start with what manifestation actually means. It's a way to create the life you want by focusing your thoughts, feelings, and actions on your goals.
Some people think manifestation is just about wishing for something and waiting, but it's more than that. It's about believing and working for your dreams.
Think about planting a seed. You can't just plant it and forget. You have to water it, give it sunlight, and care for it. Manifestation is like that. You give your goals your attention and energy.
Some important words connected to manifestation are goal, dream, believe, positive, focus, visualize, to imagine something clearly in your mind.
What this really means is manifestation helps you stay positive and motivated.
That's right. When you think positively about your future, you feel confident. Confidence helps you try new things and keep going, even when it's difficult.
Instead of saying, I can't do this, you can say, I will do my best and succeed.
Here's a phrase you can use. I believe I can achieve my goals.
Or, I focus on what I want, not on what I'm afraid of.
Here's the thing. Manifestation isn't just about thinking. It's about doing too.
Yes, you need to work toward your goals. For example, if you want to learn English, manifestation means imagining yourself speaking well and practicing every day.
So you can say, I'm working hard to reach my dreams. I take small steps every day.
And don't be afraid to say, I'm making progress. Let's try a simple exercise together. Close your eyes and imagine your dream clearly. What does it look like? How do you feel?
Now, say quietly to yourself, I believe this will happen. I'm ready to work for it.
Repeat this a few times. This helps your brain focus and feel ready.
When you talk about manifestation, use phrases like, I want to manifest a happy life. I'm focusing on my goals. I believe positive things will happen.
Or ask questions like, do you believe in manifestation? How do you stay positive when things are hard?
And remember, it's okay to say, I'm still learning to believe in myself.
Manifestation helps not only with big dreams, but also with small things, like staying calm before a test or feeling confident in a job interview.
You can say, I'm visualizing success. I'm staying calm and focused.
These phrases help you share your feelings clearly in English.
Let's practice a conversation. I'll start. Hi, Anna. How do you stay positive when life is difficult?
I try to focus on my goals and believe good things will happen.
That's great. Do you use any special exercises?
Yes, I imagine my dreams clearly and say positive phrases to myself every day.
Awesome. I want to try that too.
You know, there's some science behind manifestation too. When you focus on positive thoughts, your brain starts noticing opportunities you might have missed.
This is called the reticular activating system. It helps you focus on things important to you. So if you focus on your goals, you're more likely to see chances to reach them.
And positive thinking can reduce stress, making it easier to work hard and stay healthy.
Here's the thing. Some people think manifestation is magic. They wait for things to happen without doing anything.
That won't work. Manifestation needs belief and action.
Also, sometimes people get discouraged if they don't see results right away.
Be patient. Progress takes time. You can say, I'm learning and growing every day.
Manifestation can help you learn English too. Imagine yourself speaking English confidently. Picture conversations, listening to others, and understanding everything.
Say phrases like, I'm improving my English every day. I believe I can speak fluently.
Practice little by little. You'll see progress soon.
Let's learn more words and phrases about manifestation. Affirmation, a positive statement you say to yourself.
Intentions, what you plan or want to do. Mindset, your way of thinking. Visualize, imagine something clearly in your mind. Patience, waiting without giving up.
Example sentences. I say daily affirmations to stay positive. My intention is to learn English fast. I keep a positive mindset. I visualize success. I have patience with myself.
One great way to use manifestation is journaling. Writing down your goals and dreams helps you focus. You can write things like, today, I will practice English for 30 minutes. I believe I will improve my speaking skills.
This makes your goals feel real and keeps you motivated.
Let's answer some common questions.
Does manifestation really work?
It can work if you believe in it and take action.
How long does manifestation take?
It depends. Be patient and keep trying.
Can anyone do manifestation?
Yes, anyone can use it with the right mindset.
Remember, manifestation is about believing, focusing, and working hard.
Use positive language every day and take small steps toward your dreams.
You can say, I'm ready to create the life I want.
And never give up.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing these phrases and believing in yourself.
See you next time on English Learning Key.